Students, today I am going to tell you about myself that how did I learn this language. So that's why first of all I would like to tell you, since I am an English teacher in a private school, and when I used to teach in a school, then so many students I used to find that, especially 2 3 students generally I used to find they are able to speak English fluently. So that's why I thought that since I am a teacher, so that's why definitely I will speak English fluently in front of the students. If I will not be able to speak English fluently in front of the students, then automatic I will not get importance in school. So that's why this is the main reason, because I am an English teacher in a private school. Second reason I would like to tell you that I am so interested in spoken English, especially I am so interested in English. I used to think that when I used to see speaking English fluently, then I used to think that, oh my God, he is speaking English fluently, so that's why I have to learn this language. Whether I would be able to learn this language or not, whether I will be able to speak English fluently or no, not. So this type of thoughts used to come in my mind. So again and again, every day, I thought that I have to listen English content. So first of all, I thought that after all, what is the secret to learn this language? Then I started listening English content. Okay, then every day at least 30 minutes I used to listen English content. Then I thought that I am getting confidence. When I started listening English content day by day, I think that my English is improving. And at first I was not able to understand fully the English content. When I used to listen English content on YouTube, then generally 100% I was not able to understand properly all the sentence. So I thought that okay, then continuously 3 months I listen English content. Then automatic I started feeling that now I am feeling comfortable, and at least 90%, 80 to 90% sentences I was able to understand properly the sentence like this. And I thought that I should use something. Then so by so many English trainer on YouTube, it is said that if you want to be fluent in English, then one thing you have to do, that one strategy you have to adopt, that is mirror technique. So mirror technique means, English trainer used to say that if you want to be fluent in English, then you have to use mirror technique. You have to take one long mirror and you have to stand in front of mirror, and after that you have to do one thing, that you have to try to speak in front of mirror. Then it may be possible that in initial stage you will feel hesitation, but later on gradually you will be able to be fluent in English, and you will be feel general type of, and like this you will be able to improve your English. So like this I did continuously, I did 1 month. Then after practicing especially, and I used to record my video, because generally on YouTube so many English trainers used to say that one thing you have to do, that if you want to be fluent in English, then one thing you have to do, that you have to stand in front of the mirror and you have to record your voice, and like this you will be able to be fluent in English, because you have to listen your voice. After recording you have to do one thing, and you have to listen your record. Then, and when you make mistake, if you find any mistake in your voice, in your speech, then again you have to do one thing, that you have not to do that mistake again and again. So that's why I did like this continuously 1 month, and like this I was able to get fluency like this. Second thing I would like to explain here, generally on YouTube by so many English trainer it is said that if you want to be fluent in English, then one thing you have to do, that you have to try to think in English. Then I thought that I don't have appropriate knowledge of English, then how will I be able to think in English? But I thought that okay, I will try to think in English, and I tried to think in English. Then initial stage sometimes I used to find that, oh my God, all type of sentences does not come in my mind. Sometimes I find that so many words, so many sentences, I am not able to know of English of that sentence. Then that time I did one thing, that I used to keep one pocket diary. Okay, and when I used to get any sentence or any words, then that time I used to note that words. Like this I did at least 1 month, and this time I think that somehow I am able to speak like this. So I would like to recommend you that if you will focus more and more on English and you will follow some rule, then automatic you will be able to be fluent in English. Especially two things you have to do: you have to try to think in English, and second thing is that you can you can use mirror technique. And if two things you will do, then definitely one day you will become fluent in English. Okay, then I will meet you in next video. Take care.